Hi guys, welcome back to Food with Foz. After a long break, I'm here to teach you meatball with the boiled egg, anda kofta. And let's start it. To make this recipe, you need 1 pound minced meat. Any meat you can use, chicken, goat and turkey, but I'm today using beef meat. And 2 tablespoons of besan is a chickpea flour, half cup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of zira cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala, which I made in my video, and 1 chopped onion, 1 egg, and cilantro for garnish. I'm using a food processor. You can use also blender. I'm adding meat, all spices, onion and breadcrumbs, and 1 egg. It's optional if you would like to use egg or not, but I always use egg, and little cilantro. Chop it until everything is smoothly mixed. Then I'm gonna teach you how to make a meatball. After mixing everything, I'm making a meatballs. You can make as big or small as you wish. Add a little bit of water. Some people prefer big meatball, but I like medium. It cooks faster. To make this recipe, you need 1 tablespoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half cup of yogurt, 1 tomato puree I made, 1 dry onion flake, or if you don't have any fried onion, you can use fresh onion and fry it yourself, and 1 cup of oil and meatball. So let's start it. On high heat, add oil, and add all fried onion. I'm using fried onion because it cooks faster. Usually I can buy from Indian store. You can make it yourself too if you know how to. Just cook it for at least 2 minutes. And then I will add all my spices. I'm adding all ginger garlic paste, now I'm using all spices: salt, garam masala, red pepper, cumin seed, coriander powder, and turmeric. I'm using my tomato puree. Let it cook for 5 minutes. See, it's all coming together. It's time to add all meatballs. If you want a bright curry, you can use as paprika powder to bring it red color a little bit. Let it cook for 10 minutes and I'm gonna add half cup of water. Turn to medium light heat and then cover it up. Let it cook for 10 minutes. I'm adding half cup more water and yogurt because I like more curry. And I put a very low heat. Let it cook 10 more minutes. It's time to check how much is done. Voila, it's done. You can see that. My meatball is cooked and now it's time to add my boiled egg. I am using 6 eggs but I cut it in half. If you like today's recipe, please like and subscribe me. Thank you.